Did you know most first-time clients dread a Brazilian wax? The anticipation often feels worse than the actual appointment. Sounds scary, right? But it's not as intimidating as it seems. So, can you survive a professional Brazilian wax? Let's find out safely, professionally, and without any horror stories. Welcome to MTH Health. We break down beauty, hygiene, and self-care correctly. Today, we're demystifying the professional Brazilian wax. No myths, no exaggerations. Just the truth and expert safety tips. Let's be honest. Most people associate Brazilian wax with pain. They worry about awkwardness and embarrassment. Some ask, what if something goes wrong? Or, is the salon safe? These fears are normal. Pain tolerance differs for everyone. Embarrassment is common. Choosing the wrong provider can lead to irritation or infection. But here's the truth. When done by a licensed professional, a Brazilian wax is just routine. It focuses on hygiene, efficiency, and client comfort. The key elements: preparation, communication, and proper technique. These tips come from licensed estheticians who do this every day. Consultation is the first step. The esthetician will ask about skin sensitivities, medications, and past experiences. This ensures safety and prevents irritation. Next, hygiene comes first. Professionals always wear gloves and use fresh wax applicators. They cleanse the skin before waxing. Remember, double dipping is a big no in a professional salon. Now, let's discuss controlled application. Warm wax is applied in small sections. The skin is gently stretched to reduce discomfort. Strips are removed quickly and efficiently. Professionals work in sections, always checking in with clients. Soothing and aftercare are important too. After waxing, a calming lotion or serum is applied to reduce redness and protect the skin barrier. Total time for the session: usually around 15 to 30 minutes. Here's the game changer: skin support and breathing control. Estheticians stretch the skin firmly before removing the wax. This makes removal cleaner and more comfortable. Clients should exhale during removal. This relaxes muscles and lessens pain perception. Pro tip: avoid caffeine before your appointment. Caffeine increases sensitivity. Also, exfoliate gently 24 to 48 hours beforehand, but not on the same day. Small adjustments can make a significant difference. So, can you handle a professional Brazilian wax? Absolutely. When done by a licensed professional, using proper hygiene and technique, it's very manageable. Preparation matters. Good communication helps. Aftercare protects your results. Most importantly, choosing a reputable esthetician is crucial. Have you ever thought about getting a Brazilian wax? What questions do you have? Drop them in the comments. We read every single one. If you enjoy expert self-care content, subscribe to MTH Health. Get more practical beauty and wellness guides every